Hey guys, Brendan here from VL Technology, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to create community posts on YouTube. Now not every account has this enabled, and I don't remember the exact requirements to get it enabled, but YouTube sent me an email the other day saying I've got it enabled now. So what you'll do is you'll start off by logging in and switching to the account you're going to use. So I'm on my VL Technology account here, and going over to the community tab here. And as you can see now I've got an option to post here. So essentially, you can do images, like if I wanted to post tech memes or something like that, something to engage my subscribers. You can do image polls, so I could upload images as options for a poll, or you can also do text polls. So if I wanted to say, what's your favorite operating system? Maybe I'd do like Mac OS, Windows, Linux, stuff like that. Or you could even choose an existing YouTube video like ours. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to join our Discord channel. Thanks.